there. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about how to create an extended partition. So in the last tutorial we learned about creating primary partition. Now this time we will create extended partition or logical partition. Now remember the theory we learned about that 4 primary partition, either go with 4 primary partition or 3 primary and 1 extended. If you go with extended, if you created one extended partition, then only we will able to create a logical partition. So logical partition also have some benefits, so we will learn about that in the near futures, but what is exactly. So let me log into the root first, Sue, and now we are going to root. Now here the command is disk, sorry, the command is fdisk -l to list out the partitions which you create in the hard disk. So currently we are using 4 hard disks and all this have partitions created, and currently SDB, we learned about the SDB thing is for the SATA hard disk, and if it's PATA hard disk then it would be HD. So SD currently using this SATA hard disk. Now SDB means the second hard disk, SDC means third hard disk, SDD means fourth hard disk. Okay, now the command is fdisk as space. We just now need to select the hard disk, which is SDB, the second hard disk. So now, and with help you can take a help, or for example you can take a help, otherwise you can create a new partition with new. So new, and if you want to create a partition, otherwise lots of options are there. You can even create or you can just change about the partition system ID. Now what I'm going to do is we just create a partition. So with P you can print the partitions. Now we were going to create extended partitions, which is already if you have a P, already primary partitions there. Otherwise if you want to with logical, for example, I'm good 1024 MB means 1 GB. So like here you can see /db dev /sdb1. so we created an extended partition. Now once you created extended partition, there will be no other option to create extended. Now you have option to create logical partitions. So for example, wants to create a logical partition, wants to give a value of the logical partition. For example, give 1024 MB again, so megabytes. Okay, so now you can see that SDB1 is now the extended partition and SDB5 is the logical partition. Now with logical you can see the value is there 5 or over. If you created an extended partition or if you created a partition, then we will start with 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4. Fifth means SDB5 means it is a logical partition, means SDB1, 2, 3, 4 will be primary, 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 or primary or extended. SDB5 means a logical partition. So SDB5, you can see the values there, 5 or over. So SDB 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever it is, it would be a logical partition. So otherwise, either it would be primary or it would be extended. Now you can, it's already created now, so our partition will be 2 if you want to create a primary. So you can even you can even alter those partitions. So close the terminals. You can even go with graphical mode. So via graphical mode you can easily able to understand about the partition more and more. So with this utility command, with analyzer, you will be able to understand how much space is available, how much space we are consuming, and with more and more you can see about the system tools. This utility will give you a graphical diagram about the space. You can see the swap partitions there, extend for partition there, extension full, and the bootable partitions there, and where it's mounted. You can understand about those, where you can see it's mounted at /boot. An extended is created and the entire partition is now freed up. One unknown partition is created because it will be a part of extended but not. You can create more partitions by going with graphical mode. Example, volume, for example 1, and size, and for example 29. So you can even encrypt those. I give a password because I'm logged into with the standard user. That's the reason asked me the read password, but it's created and it's formatting. Now you can see it's created. The device partition label will be now SDB2 surely. So this is where you create a partition about that extended partition.